Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to fix Discord call audio not working in iPhone or any other mobile. So guys, if you're using any device, iOS device or Android device, and when you make a call on your Discord app and facing audio problem, I'll help you how to fix this problem. So let's start without wasting any time. So guys, simply you have to open your Discord app, click on your main profile, click on settings, and after this you have to scroll it down. Here is the option of voice. Simply you have to click on this tab, and guys, here is the option of input mode. So guys, simply you have to click on voice activity, and guys, after this you have to turn on auto sensitivity, and guys, after this you need to increase all the volume, and guys, after this you have to enable this one tab. So guys, after doing this you have to go back, and guys, you need to check that your problem has been fixed or not. So guys, if not fix your problem, then you have to open your settings, and guys, simply you have to click on iPhone storage, and guys, after clicking on it you have to open your Discord app here, and guys, you need to offload your app, and after doing offload you need to reinstall again and log in again. And guys, after this, when you have call on your app, then guys, your problem will be fixed. So guys, after doing this, if still not fix your problem, maybe there is update problem, simply you have to check for update on App Store. And guys, if not updated your app, you need to update your app. As you can see, simply you have to update, and guys, after doing all the things, your problem will be fixed. So guys, this is the video. Hope you like this video. If you like this video, please do subscribe, comment and share. Thank you.